Hey, this is Brandon, and in my room, and it's midnight right now. Yeah. And I'm just using my computer, my yearbook, cats in my room, Jennifer. Just got this camera today, so I'm just messing around with it right now. Messaging cousin. So, now, I'm gonna see, she did reply to me. Yeah, I wonder what she said to my message. She too is up at 1. Hey, she said, and now I'm gonna reply to her message. Now I'm typing to her. And I sent my message. It looks like it's gonna be the end of my video.